Hi friends, today we're going to make the August Craft Club kit from Magnolia Design Co. It comes with everything you see there. It comes with that really cool sign with the beaded hanger and the stencil, which you can use over and over and over again, and the chalk paste in two different colors, a sheet of directions, and a squeegee to spread your paste onto the stencil. It comes with the instructions, so everything is ready to go and you will have a completed project. So it comes in brilliant white chalk paste and the brown chalk paste. Now I'm going to use my brown on another project, so today I'm going to be using my black. But to begin with, I was trying to decide what I wanted to do with this sign, and I was thinking about painting the inner surface part white, and I think that's what they intended to have you do with the white chalk paste, but I'm going to save that for another project. I'm just going to leave it the natural wood. I really like that kind of just natural look. So to begin with, I'm taking off the twine and beads, and I'm going to use that twine again, so I set it aside. And I am splitting those beads up evenly. I think there was 26 beads on there. And I am going to put half of them in one baggie and half in another. And then I'm going to put a little bit of black, just regular acrylic paint in there, and then pour a little bit of water in there too. So it kind of gives it a whitewashed painted look. Now these beads kind of had a little bit of a sheen on them or something, and so it didn't soak up the paint as well as I would have liked to, but they still really look nice. Like I said, it's a kind of a whitewash look when they're finished. So I'm just doing the same with the white, and I'm just really mixing them and making sure every bead gets really good and covered. And there wasn't quite enough white in there, so I'm just mixing them up really well, and then I'm going to set those aside for just a few minutes. And so the Craft Club kit comes every month, like I said, with a different project ready to complete. And it's $24.99 each month. And like I said, the stencils can be reused again over and over on other surfaces. And if you sign up for the Craft Club, then you get 10% discount on all your other orders. So that's an extra bonus, which is really, really nice. And sometimes we kind of overlook that, so keep that in mind. So if you're interested in this kit at all, just comment Craft Club below and we will send you a link to sign up for the Craft Club. So I taped off my board and got that ready, so because I'm going to paint the frame. And then I took out all my beads and set them on some paper towel, and I'm letting them dry. I did give them a little bit of a start of a dry with my heat tool, and they are finishing drying while I'm doing this part of my project. So I am just painting the frame in black chalk paste by Folkart. And I'm starting on the inside of it, and then I'll get the top and then the sides. And I'm just completely painting that entire frame, and just one coat is all I gave it, and it looks really, really nice. Then I peel off the tape. Hopefully none of it bled under, and it didn't. I did a pretty good job, so it looks really nice. So we're ready to go. And if you wanted to paint that inside of the surface, you could tape off your frame now and then paint the inside of the surface. So this is a stencil. It's house rules, and it says all the different kind of things like be kind, be grateful, forgive easily, or something like that, and then things like that. So it's just a really nice reminder for families. Now, when you get a brand new stencil, you kind of want to fuzz it on you can use your jeans or pajama pants or a towel or a fuzzing cloth from Magnolia. And you just get it so it's not quite as sticky, because then it's just easier to work with and definitely easier to peel up when you're ready. So I'm centering it in that little space and then pressing it down. Make sure it's all pressed down all around that design. That design is tiny, tiny little mesh, and that's what the chalk paste goes down in. So I'm just using regular black chalk paste, and the squeegee that comes with it. And so you can just spread it on, kind of like you're spreading butter on toast, and just make sure you get every single part of the design. Just kind of spread it over it, and then pick up the excess and put it back in your jar. And you can see how easy it is. You just want to get all that mesh covered. And once it's completely covered, then you just go over it and get the excess and wipe it in your jar. Set that aside, and you want to keep your lid on your paste as often as you can so it doesn't dry out. And then as you can see, I'm just peeling it up. Then you reveal this beautiful design. So off camera, I went and washed my stencil off. The sooner you can get the chalk paste or the ink off, the better. You don't want it to dry in the middle of that mesh. So now I'm taking that twine and putting some Scotch tape on the end, just the one end. That'll be easier for me to get it inside my beads. But first I realized there you got to start with the sign. So I'm going from the bottom up, and it still had that knot on that end. And now I'm threading all my beads, but I did use a few less. I kept 3 white and 3 black off. So it was a little bit shorter of a hanger. I wanted it that way. Just thought it looked a little bit better shorter, and that was just my personal preference. So I've got them all threaded, so now I'm going to stick it down in that sign, and I've got a little bit of excess twine there, plenty to tie my little knot. And I'm trying to get it right up against the inner part of the wood frame. And I double knotted it, so I was making sure the second knot was on top of the first. Just cut off that excess. And look how adorable that is. And it turned out so great. And now I can use that stencil on other things. You can use words of it. You don't have to use the entire thing. I've got a project in mind that I'm going to use that Be Grateful. Thanks for watching. Again, if you're interested, mention Craft Club down below. And you have a whimsical day.